Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back to Animal Crossing New Leaf. Welcome, Amiibo. I'm doing this in the afternoon. I've got stuff here to do and everything, and with college, with a quiz I'm having to take a little after a while. So I thought I'd go ahead and come on here this afternoon instead of this evening. But I hope hope you're having a good day so far. Mine's been smooth. I will try, just depending on as far how much I can finish practically. Red's here? Thank you for that. Alright. We're going to do our coffee work today. Alright. Tomorrow will be a busy day, I will tell you that, kind of. I'll come on the afternoon like as I'm doing right now. Tomorrow in the morning, I am going to be heading to Jersey. I've got to take a couple of pictures, and I've got to meet with Paul to get some information about the association meeting. And I'm announcing this to you today now, that the Fall Liberty Baptist Association meeting will be on October 5th at Jersey. There's going to be a meal at 5, and the worship will be at 6 o'clock. Or 6:30, actually. I'm sorry. So we'll eat lunch after a while. I'm probably going to eat lunch after this, and then, chatter. Okay, Kilimanjaro. Lots of milk and 3 spoonfuls of sugar. I'm wondering if I should shave before tomorrow night. I'll tell you more in just a moment. Okay. Sparrow, okay, they go all the way down to the S. So he wants blend, lots of milk, and 3 spoonfuls of sugar. Who could the last one be? Knox. So he wants blend, lots of milk, and 3 spoonfuls of sugar. Tortimer. And so he wants Kilimanjaro, regular amount of milk, and 2 spoonfuls of sugar. Okay. All right. Thank you. Let's see here. I will pay off the police station a little later today, but I'm not doing all the paying off and stuff for, the project until later in the day, if I even remember. Anyway, but it'll be fine. Cheddar cheese. Sure. I forgot Elmer was in the cafe, my bad. I was beginning to think, where's he at? Okay. I don't know if we have a camper or not today. Because we need one badly. Okay. I've gotten the thing before. I don't need a pea coat. Nobody. We need campers. Hey, Bones. I know I've talked to him, but I like talking to villagers over and over again. Is Joey home or not? No. Oh, what am I doing? Okay. There we go. It's like we're just getting dirt piles everywhere. I don't know what it is, but I'll be on tomorrow afternoon. Might be around this time. It may not be. I think it might be a little later in the afternoon. I'm planning tomorrow night to go to Hillside Park for their graduate class. I didn't go last night, but I was wanting to. But Dad came home and then late from work, and then he went back out, and I just could have given him that opportunity for me to go, because I need to. Now that church is special, and this is a personal invitation by Christy and everything, and I think she heads it and everything. And so oh shoot, there's no internet connection. Crap. Oh boy. Well, we'll deal with it later. Let's just go home. Let's turn off the TV for now. I'll figure that out later. I'm really suspicious when I buy one of these, because I always think it's going to be fake every time. What is this? Sure. I'm not sure if I have it or not. Okay. I'll let the cat out right when this episode's over, and I'll get myself lunch. I'm a little cold, but I'm fine. It was hot outside though, no joke. But I'm planning to go to Hillside Park tomorrow night, and within me, I've got to pick up some things, as far as the directory of what Jersey's and history is about, and Dad's going to put that and publish it together. I know it's July 7th, but it's important that we go ahead and start figuring out these plans. That way we'll know and that we're prepared for the meeting. Excuse me. And like I said, it's going to be on not July, oh my God. It's already July, but October the 5th. I'll be sure to tell Mary Ruth that and so forth. Later when I see her Sunday and Sandy. Do I just have one? Okay. I just have one fossil that I dug up. I'm sure, and I know there's more than that, you know? We're gonna pick this up because we're gonna sell. I'll get it in just a moment, Taffy. Oh, it's a FedEx vehicle. Oh crap, it's a pitfall seed. And I got like one more space in here. And I need to drop the pitfall seed. We don't need the superb coffee beans. A lot of these, you know, as I said, I'm going to sell them later. Here we go. There's one more, I think. At least I think, but I'm not overshadowing things here at all. I know I went down this area, but I'm just checking again. Because I always miss something, you know. You know, I felt really bummed out about not going last Wednesday night, and it was making me a little sad about it, to be honest with you. You could tell within my emotion, not my emotion, but my feelings within that. I'm going to tell Dad I'm going to go there tomorrow night, you know. Now I'm going to learn how to make my way over there instead of having Dad take me every time, because, I mean, I'm sure it's quite simple, but I just need a way, though. And I'm going to be saying some things, you know, about me, and I'm not going to be at Centerville forever. I'm going to just tell you that. Like every Sunday forever. You've heard my statements and what I said on Sunday. I'm going to explain more as we kind of move ahead in the coming weeks and something or so, or in the coming days, practically, to be honest with you. I'll just leave it like this, and we'll just donate them because I don't have time. I'll go eat some of my spaghetti for lunch today. I think this is day 53 in the game, I believe. Okay. It's like the fossil museum is about done. It's like, I'll still donate them, you know, or not donate, but assess them just for money and other things, you know. Wait, is there another one here? Or is there not? Okay, never mind. I'm in some ways nervous about what Dad will say, but I know this is what God wants, you know, for me here. This belongs to Knox. Oh boy, that was Elmer's, though. It's kind of sad, you know, to see Elmer. Ugh. wear that because it just reminds me of Monique. Okay. And what do you know? He's here. Okay. Good. Glad you like it now. I didn't want him to take that little thing when I'm not sad. Watering trial, that's what it's called. I don't know why I keep saying thing. The final thing we're going to do is we're going to say hello to whoever is up here. I've got things here to do, like I said, and I'm going to try to end this episode soon. Maybe I'll say a couple of things before I end after I visit Pave from the festival. I'm going to sit up here this time. So, I got to take a quiz or something. I always want to get the quiz and everything done first. Then I have like I got to put a rough draft together of what I'm trying to do. I also didn't do that one assignment because I was really confused, My English college instructor can be a pain in the butt. She doesn't explain clearly. As I've told you many times, I've struggled with college. Well, not college, but with English just in general. This is like in a writing form, and I'm really nervous about how she's going to grade me. I'm afraid that she's going to give me I did get a 0 for something, but it didn't drop my grade completely down. And I didn't do that assignment, though, because it wasn't I didn't want to, but I've tried doing it, but you have no idea. So I'm just going to brainstorm again. I have until this coming Sunday, and I understand here today's Tuesday. I want to try to get as much as I can done today, and maybe within tomorrow. And that way, tomorrow night I'll go to Hillside Park, and I'll be doing that tomorrow evening. I'll be there at 7. Before that, practically, I've got to talk with him, mom, or not mom and dad, but dad though, because he's just still because he's in town and everything, and all that stuff, and. Another way I'm looking forward to tomorrow. I'll be on with you around this time, maybe tomorrow, something like that, whenever I just get a time here. But please bear with me. But I'm planning to be there tomorrow night here, Hillside Park, for their graduates class. And I love that church so much. And, I want to start being there more. And, I really love the place. And, but my fear, though, and like my nerves kick me right now, and my worry. My mind just picturing my dad saying no, but at the same time, I don't think he would. But I honestly don't care as far as distance or whatever. I've got to be involved. If you're gonna let McKenna go do things on Wednesday nights, why not let me? I mean, they got something for me, and I totally miss out and waste my opportunities. I'm not thinking you would say that, but it's hard on my end. And have you ever heard that phrase, butterflies in your stomach? That's the way I feel right now. And with college too being overwhelming, and it's a lot that wears out on me, but I think I'll be okay, but I want to mind the Lord first, above everything, But I do respect my family and everything, but it's just there's something I want to do here, serve the Lord and whatnot. If you're going to let McKenna, like I said, go to Jersey and do stuff on Wednesday nights when I let me go, why don't y'all go to Bible study and do things? Serve the Lord. My God. Wednesday nights are crucial. It's to build relationships, and that's truly what this class is about here, is just building relationships, loving one another, serving the Lord, and doing things together. And I will do so as long as I can and as long as I need to. You know, I never get tired. I may say, "Well, serving the Lord on Sunday mornings." No, that's more than that. It's more than just Sundays, you know. But I don't know, like I said, why my nerves are kicking me right now for that, but I'll be okay. I'm sure he'll say yes, but at the same time, I'm worried that he might say no. Thank you for watching this episode. Don't forget to like, subscribe, check out my videos. And Lord willing, I'll see you sometime tomorrow. Alright, you have a good day. Take care.